Hello everyone, my name is James and we're back here with another video. And this time, we're going to be previewing a new toy that my dad bought us. It's just like a little helicopter that flies when you throw it. It's actually pretty cool. Let me turn the brightness up. There we go. So dark still. I can't see anything, it's so dark. There, probably can see something. I'm not sure if you guys can see anything, but if you can, I'm gonna bring the helicopter into the light.
I'm gonna transfer it, and there's my brother.
Okay, here. Here we go. This is actually what it looks like in broad daylight. I usually just put my finger here and throw it, like obviously.
This is what I call when I use it to skim along the ground, like this. See that, see that, see that, see that?
We're trying to make it go higher than each other. Like when it's like a skateboard. Like a skateboard. It's like a skateboard. Like this. Like a skateboard.
Watch my brother.
No, that was a horrible failure.
Never mind. Complete failure, dude.
Okay, let me try one more time. With more OP-ness.
Right. Woo! Oh!
See that? Watch this, watch this. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm gonna go do this where there's more light so the viewers can see better.
Alright, so we're gonna try it again. Right now we're doing skills, so I'm not skating.
Whoa! Vitality. That was awesome. And as you can see, my brother's over there.
Oh, you guys see that?
Whoop, bonk. Okay, now I'm actually going to aim for high. I'm going to go for high now.
Alright, I'm sorry you can do this in the light. I'll do it in the light again, okay? So, right now, we're going to try it again.
Okay, here we go.
And we're aiming for the high.
There it is. That was oddly amazing. Of course they can. Can you guys? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bonk.
So, we got this really cool helicopter. And the blue since it's really dark. And this is my brother doing this. This is really, really cool.
Hi, everyone.
Since, like, oh my gosh. Since, like, these helicopters can do so much stuff if you throw it through.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to see how high it goes in the end. So like it goes forward, but then suddenly goes like straight up. Let's see. Hey, Julian, can you move?
Right on the very corners of one wing.
Woo! Okay, this. Now I'm going to try and make it go as high as possible. Go. Not very high. That was pathetic. Let's try again. Yeah, still pathetic. Okay, let's do it one more time. Woo! And if you actually want to check out my brother's video, you can tap up his channel, and his name is Julian Zhang, YouTuber. His YouTube name is Caden Ender.
No, it isn't.
What? I forgot. What was it again? Okay, I forgot, sorry. We don't have any cameras yet, so we're just doing these with our iPads. Where did that go? Where did that go?
Right there, dude. See that weird thing right next to the light? That's it. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, good, I dropped it.
Let's draw a blank on that. Inside, we're cooking dinner. Smells good. So bad they want to eat right now, but no, I can't.
Alright, so we're gonna try this again.
Oh, that must have been really loud. Oh. Okay, Julian, ready for the challenge part? All right, sure. Okay, this is how it's gonna go. My brother is going to film me throwing mine, so you can watch his video to see how I did, and then I'm going to film Julian doing his. Now let's move a little forward where it's a little lighter. Come on. All right. What?
Landed way over there.
Okay, now it's my brother's turn.
Disqualification, bro. Disqualification.
Okay, if you want to see what my results were, go on to his video. Now, if you want to see what his results are, keep watching this one. Don't, no. Okay, go. It's too dark, I can't see anything.
Give it up. Woo!
Let's stop with this. Alright. Oh.
Hey, mine's the first one. Don't you dare take it. The one that's upside down.
Alright.
Alright.
That was a great time, you guys. I had a really nice time. I hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. If you dislike, I can't blame you because this is one of my like one of my first few videos. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.